Hi, I'm G. Sushanth Kumar. I used to work as a junior product manager. Recently, I got promoted as a product manager. I deal with B2B and B2C products in YepTV. Before getting into product management, I have done a brief research, like what kind of courses I need to choose, rather than getting into an MBA in banking or finance. So that 6 months of research, what I have done, so gave me a brief analysis about different courses. So one point of view, I was like getting into different courses, but one point where product management give me, it's curriculum. The first day we stepped into Institute of Product Leadership, there is an induction class where I got to meet different state cultured people there, and that's where the point of context increased. That is one point. Second point is curriculum, syllabus based, learning based, live learning. If you could see Capstone project, I used to work on a dating app, that which is I wanted to build it at the time as a Capstone product. Then if you could call professor, they're industry to college professors, that these are the 3 points can be taken away from here. The first thing is IPL Alumni Network. We have different forums here. So it helps you to reach out to many people from different industries as well. Second point, Career Club is a good forum where different unicorn companies used to come to our placement cell. Then I have secured a placement in Rakuten. Third point, one-on-one mentorship with Pinkesh Shah and Sai Satish, which gave me a good enhancement towards my career. First thing is induction, where I was introduced to different state cultured people. Then it started from introvert to extrovert guy. Second point is learning by doing. I had a project called dating app, where I try to apply my skills, whatever I studied, I try to apply in that capstone project. You can be a product manager, be it any background. You can watch me, I'm a BCom graduate. Still, I am into product management. It's been 4 successful years here. And second thing is asking question is the most important priority of a product manager. Ask question at right moment. That these two things at the initial stage can be happen. I just wanted to thank this IPL and this program, which gave me my career to a fly-up start. Thank you, IPL.